Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this particular lecture, we have to explain different types of angles. Uh, in types of angle, the first one is acute angle. What is acute angle? Angle uh, angle x less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree is called acute angle. For example, 45 degree is acute angle, 40 angle is acute angle, 60 degree is acute angle, 30 degree is acute angle, because these all angles lies in this range, less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Uh, Another angle is right angle. Angle is said to be 90 if x is equal to 90 degree. And right angle, this is called right angle. Geometrically, acute angle expressed like this, and right angle expressed like this, are uh, more clearly. uh, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and uh, this is right angle, and angle uh, like this is acute angle. Acute angle, because this angle must be less than 90 degree and greater than 0, and this is 90. This is a right angle. Another angle is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Angle uh, angle less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Expressed geometrically is like this. This is obtuse angle. For example, angle 95 degree. This is obtuse angle. Angle 100 degree, 105 degree. These all are the example of obtuse angle. Reflex angle, angle less than 360 degree and greater than 180 degree uh, is called reflex angle. For example, 195 degree. 195 degree greater than 180 degree, but less than 360 degree. So this is reflex angle. Another type of angle is straight angle. Straight angle. Uh, when angle, the measure of angle is 180 degree, then angle is said to be straight angle. This angle lie on a straight line. uh, Another type of angle, different types of fear of angles. Fear of angles. Complementary angles. Two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, are said to be complementary angles if their sum is equal to 90 degree. Geometrically, this angle, angle 1 and angle 2 is complementary angles because the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Supplementary angles. Uh, Two angles are said to be supplementary angles, angle 1 and angle 2, if their sum is equal to 180 degree. So in the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles because their sum are equal to 180 degree. Vertical angles. Uh, when two lines intersect each other, then the pair of angle A and angle B palm are said to be vertical angles. More precisely, more precisely, if this is line 1 and this is line 2 intersect each other, then this is, let's suppose this is angle A and this is angle B, then these two angles are said to be vertical angle, and vertical angles are always equal in measures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.